The manufacturing capabilities are quite substantial in X3 over what we have in the 500 product. Multiple costing methodologies within X3 can handle the same kind of accounting structures, average, FIFO, LIFO, lot average, and standard as normal. We just have a lot more capability, especially in the area of lot control and serialization within the X3 suite. It was written originally for a process manufacturer, so it handles lot traceability quite well within its structure. So if I have a lot number of a component that goes into a finished product and the supplier calls me with a problem with that component, I can actually run a quality traceability routine that will actually show me where that component was used and what customers that component went to, even if it was 10 levels deep in the bill of material. So there's some additional capabilities like that within the X3 suite. X3 does have a built-in quality control structure within the product that is nice. It's an add-on for 500, but this is full, answer questions when you receive a product or produce a product. Have pass-fail criteria. The system will keep track of all the history of all the QC operations that you execute throughout your process. That is all built in within the system. Obviously, we have the same kind of EDI capabilities within X3 and 500. We use the same engines, TrueCommerce and Mapadoc both work with X3 as well as 500. So there's not a whole lot of differences there in terms of the EDI engines and whatnot. There is quite a bit of difference in the supplier management. We do have an RFQ module inside X3 that will let me do requests for quotes from suppliers, record those responses, and then award the business based off the matrices of the responses from the suppliers. We also have a very robust approval signature circuit in our workflow engine inside X3. So we can do electronic requisitions that's built in. It's actually an add-on for 500, but it is actually built into the X3 product. And those signature circuits can be applied to approvals of sales orders, purchase orders, journal entries, AP vouchers, AR vouchers, not just in the purchasing area like it is for some systems.